Okay, once again, I'm baking chicken for my daughter's birthday. I haven't used this sauce before. It says hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. Wow, yeah, it's a barbecue sauce. So we're gonna use it to bake it. All right, just gotta pour it in here and bake it. And I will let you guys know what it tastes like, okay? When I'm done. Wow. Okay. There you go. Alright. Let me finish up. Mix it up. Then start baking it. Alright? Hold on. I'll be right back. Alright. So I mix it up. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. There you go. Alright. Set it up on 400-degree Fahrenheit already. Alright? So let it bake. Alright. The chicken is baked. We're ready to party. Ready to party. We're ready for the celebration birthday party. There you go. Chicken wings is all set. Looks good, right? And it tastes good too. Yep. Let the celebration begins. Thank you guys. Talk to you later.